This is how to nest audio in Premiere Pro. You already know that you cannot nest audio in Premiere Pro. For example, if I highlight these audio clips over here and I right click and scroll over up here to nest, you can see that the nest is grayed out, and this is because Premiere Pro does not allow you to nest audio. To fix that, all you need to do is to come over to this little icon over here that says new item and select it, and you want to add a new adjustment layer and hit OK. And drag this adjustment layer onto your video track layer above the audio and set the duration to the duration of your audio. Next thing you want to do is to highlight both your adjustment layer with your audio and right click, and now you have the ability to nest your audio. Now give this audio a name. I'm just going to call this nested audio and hit OK. Now the next thing you want to do is to make sure that both your insert and your overwrite over here are all selected. So the next thing you want to do is to come over to your timeline over here, select all and clear out your timeline. Now bring in your nested video and audio onto your timeline in Premiere Pro. I'm going to set this up to my video track layer 1. Let me drag this up so you can see it better. The next thing you need to do is to hit Ctrl and L to unlink the video from the audio. Now select the video and delete the video. And now you have your nested audio in Premiere Pro.